Welcome to Mindflows. As a Monday.com admin, efficiently managing your account's users is vital for keeping it organized and running smoothly. Let's get started. Assigning a new owner to your board and automations are important to maintain the effectiveness of your workflow so that everything stays the same, especially if you want to deactivate or remove a member. To do this, click on your profile picture, then go to Administration and click Users. Here we can see all the users from our account. Next, click the Board Ownership tab. Set the current owner or search a team member. Then, select the new owner. Then save and confirm it by click the Add New Owner button. To change the owner of the automations, do the exact same thing. This is a quick and easy way to navigate ownership so you won't have to do it manually, selecting the boards and automations, which is very time-consuming. With this new feature on Monday.com, you won't have to worry about transferring ownership from one member to another, or if you decide to assign someone else from your team. Embrace a streamlined and hassle-free workflow with Monday.com. Try this feature today and let us know what you think. Follow us for more tutorials like this. We're Mindflows, a certified Monday.com partner.